So of course, as luck would have it, I was a bit too long-winded and I didn't get through this problem. So that's okay. We'll just make another short recording. So where we were before was we were taking the point for 10 and substituting it in for x and y into this equation. And then we're going to end up solving for p. So this would give me 10 minus 12. And over here, this is going to be 16 equals 4 times p times a negative 2. So altogether over here, this is negative 8 times p equals 16. So my p value is equal to negative 2. So now I'm going to go back and take this equation and substitute the p value in, and then I'll have the equation of the parabola. So that will give me x squared equals 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8, times y minus 12. And then we need to go ahead and we need to figure out, well, what happens when y equals 0 down here on the x-axis. So we're going to have to put a 0 in for y and solve. So x squared equals negative 8 times negative 12. And negative 8 times negative 12 is equal to 96. So you're going to end up taking the square root of 96. And the square root of 96 works out to be 16 times 6. And so this is 4 square roots of 6. So your x values, and it's plus or minus because you took both sides, plus or minus, your x values are going to be positive 4 square roots of 6 and negative 4 square roots of 6. But we want this distance. So we're taking 4 square roots of 6 plus 4 square roots of 6, or doubling 4 square roots of 6. So this distance is 8 square roots of 6 meters, which I didn't put that into my calculator. What is it? 8 square roots of 6 is approximately 19.6 meters. I like the exact value anyway. Okay, that's that. So we have practice. We have a practice worksheet for you to work on with your parabolas. So that would be 10.2 day 1. So you're going to work on that today. Tomorrow is a day off because it's a scheduled in-service day. So you get tomorrow to work on this worksheet if you would like to, or take the day off. Wednesday is our pause day, but because tomorrow is a day off, you're not really pausing. You got to either do this worksheet, or I'm going to post a review for 10.1, 10.2 to get you ready for your quiz, because on Thursday you have a quiz on lines and parabolas. So that's this week. It's kind of a short week. It's going to come at you fast. Office hours are at noon. I will see you then.